bless you, started as genuine fear for your life. Pope Gregory the Great ordered the phrase said after every sneeze during a bubonic plague outbreak in 590 AD. People believed sneezing expelled evil spirits, or worse, that your heart briefly stopped during a sneeze. Saying God bless you was a protective prayer. You were literally asking God to keep that person alive. The plague ended 1,400 years ago. The prayer stayed. You say a medieval plague blessing dozens of times a week without thinking about it. When's the last time someone blessed you?